Developing and sharing best practices requires teamwork. At our farm in Vojvodina, we're always excited to host interns. This year, Marko decided to join the LoginEKO team of agronomists for 4 months.
I'm Marko. I come from the south of Italy and I'm a student at Vojvodina University, and I decided to come here to Serbia to join LoginEKO for my internship.
Intenzivnu saradnju sa Wageningen univerzitetom započeli smo još 2021. godine.
We began intensive collaboration with Wageningen University back in 2021. During the first year or two of working with their professors and researchers, we got to know each other well and realized that we share common goals in terms of increasing the sustainability of food production.
Zašto baš Wageningen univerzitet?
Why Wageningen University? The reason is very simple. It is a leading world university. When it comes to agricultural science, it ranks first on the Shanghai list.
The first time I came in contact with LoginEKO was in Vojvodina when Jura was presenting in my department, and I was very interested by his presentation. Then sometime after, a colleague of mine, Marike Smith, she told me that she had a wonderful experience with LoginEKO here in Serbia for her internship too, so I decided to take the same decision.
Jako sam ponosan što smo privukli master studente, najbolje master studente.
I am very proud that we have attracted master students, the best master students from Wageningen University, to undergo internship at LoginEKO within our sustainable food production.
Marko's focus is on strip cropping, growing different crops in adjacent strips on the same field.
Strip cropping is a relatively new technique in agriculture, and it can be applied in arable agriculture, also in vegetable production. And this technique consists in growing different kind of crops in the same field in neighboring strips of the same width, usually. The benefits of strip cropping are related to resource use efficiency. Also, they are related to reduced soil erosion and so the loss of precious nutrients. Also, different plants can, by being close together, they can positively interact. And also, strip cropping is a good way to add biodiversity into a monoculture, into a field that is different from monoculture, where we have only one crop species. But by adding multiple crop species in a field, the number of predators, of pests increases. Also, there are going to be more animals around, like birds, like other kinds of mammals. So everything is more similar, more close to a natural ecosystem.
Working alongside Maria, Marko collects soil and plant samples to analyze the effects of strip cropping on peas and flax.
Strip cropping production, or strip farming, has been a topic of focus for several seasons at LoginEKO. Through our work with Marko, we reached new conclusions on how we can expand strip cropping production to include a gluten-free 6-year crop rotation.
From Maria, I learned a lot about flexibility and being able to be multitasking and to focus on many different little things at the same moment. Also, I got to know a lot about the crops that Maria is following, so sunflower, winter cereals, legumes, flax, and I got to know how to look at them to recognize what is a good-looking field crop and what is not.
But internships are much more than just work.
Working at LoginEKO and with LoginEKO's people has been very much fun. Everybody is very open and always ready to joke about small things in life, and so there's a very relaxed environment, but at the same time also quite professional. People take things also in a very serious way.
Osnovni benefit za LoginEKO u saradnji sa Markom i
The main benefit for LoginEKO in collaborating with Marco and other international students is simply the focused attention on a specific topic of interest for LoginEKO. In Marco's case, this focus is on strip cropping. Here, a serious and very thorough approach to research has been taken, which will allow us to expand strip cropping method to a gluten-free 6-year crop rotation. In addition to our collaboration with Marco, who joined us as a very ambitious and talented master's student, we are in direct contact with his mentor, Professor Meryl Hoffmeyer. This connection also allows us to tap into her extensive knowledge.
Izuzetno bogatog znanja.
Something I really enjoyed about my job in LoginEKO was the fact that I could experiment a lot, and I was not afraid of proposing something new and something different. And so the creativity behind it is very, very, very nice.
Marco is a young and ambitious student who came to us from Vojvodina. The daily fieldwork, along with discussions about the many challenges we face in organic farming, have been a true pleasure for both him and me.